Lenovo docking stations expand your laptop's connectivity, but can experience issues like connectivity drops, power problems, or firmware glitches. Resetting resolves these by clearing temporary errors and refreshing the system. It's a go-to fix for most dock-related problems. A docking station acts as a hub, converting a laptop's limited ports into multiple high-speed connections via USB-C, Thunderbolt, or other connectors. This expands connectivity for displays, keyboards, Ethernet, and more. Resetting clears temporary glitches by power cycling the device, which means turning it off and on to refresh connections. It also refreshes the firmware cache, clearing stored temporary data, and performs hardware reinitialization to reset internal components. Important safety notes. Resets don't erase your data, but they temporarily disrupt active sessions and connections. Always avoid performing resets during file transfers to prevent potential data corruption or loss. Start by unplugging the docking station from your laptop and any external power source. Then power down your laptop to prevent data corruption during the reset process. This ensures a clean reset without potential conflicts. In Step 2, locate the Reset button on your Lenovo docking station. Check the back or side of your dock for a small, recessed button labeled Reset or marked with a pinhole. Some older models may not have a physical button. For those, skip to the power cycling step. Consult your specific model's manual for exact location. There are two methods to perform a hard reset on your Lenovo docking station. For the hardware reset, if your dock has a reset button, use a paper clip or pin to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. For a software-assisted reset, open Lenovo Vantage, navigate to Device, then Dock, and select Reset Dock. Reconnect the power cable while holding the button, then release after 5 seconds. Plug the dock back into your laptop. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for it to reinitialize. Test all connections, including external monitors, USB devices, and Ethernet, to ensure the reset was successful. If docking station issues persist after a reset, update your docking station's firmware via Lenovo System Update or download the latest drivers from the Lenovo website. For Thunderbolt docks, ensure your laptop's BIOS is also up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Looking ahead, docking station resets are evolving with technology. AI-integrated diagnostics and software like Lenovo Vantage will automate many reset processes, predicting issues before they occur and reducing the need for manual intervention. Wireless docking technology is emerging, offering cable-free connectivity options. However, traditional physical resets will continue to play a crucial role in maintaining hardware reliability and resolving deep-seated issues. Future docking stations will incorporate over-the-air firmware updates, allowing seamless remote maintenance without physical access. Additionally, biometric security features may be integrated, enabling secure resets through fingerprint or other authentication methods.